Welcome back, and this is how to unlock a Schott Ceran ceramic hub. So, first thing, look for a key icon or padlock symbol on the control panel. This indicates the lock function. And after that, just simply touch and hold the lock button or the button with the padlock or key symbol for about 3 to 5 seconds. And the hub should beep or the lock light should turn off, meaning it's now unlocked. And also, guys, if it doesn't unlock, make sure the glass surface is clean and dry because sometimes moisture can stop touch sensors from working. And also, you could do a power cycle by switching the hub off at the mains for 1 minute, then try again. Now, to enable the lock, simply press and hold the same button until the padlock lights turn back on. There you go. See ya.